And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. Hey guys, so we just arrived at my mom's house, which is pretty much where I've lived for like the past, I don't know how many years, like 12 years. And I just moved to my dad's house, like, I don't know, this year. But yeah, when I first started talking to Aiden, I lived here, and so he's never been in this house, and we're gonna go see his first impressions of it, shall we?
First impressions.
Let's go.
Okay. Hey. How you doing? This way?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you have such a nice view. Oh, I'm so jealous. Hey, Bella. This is the kitchen I always see Mark at. Where do you normally have the laptop? Here?
It changes. There, or here, or there.
Hey, girl.
Woo! It's a mess, and it's not like a thing that's a thing.
It's a sales room. Oh my gosh, your floor's so... I didn't know your floor was this colour.
Yeah.
I love it. This is so weird seeing it now. I'm not, like... You talked to me so much in here and I've finally seen it. That's so weird. Oh my god, what? Wait, you have like a jet bath?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what?
Mm-hmm.
Since when?
Since always.
And there's a mirror. So watch yourself.
And a heated towel warmer thing.
Oh, that's needed. That's needed this time of year.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh, I love your sink.
It's like a home tour.
Wait, why is there a phone?
Because it looks retro and cool.
Does it work?
No.
Oh, okay.
So, I'm here with Aiden, and we just finished filming a video, and I'm not even going to tell you what it is, but I'm just going to show you the aftermath. It's like this, and then there's all of this, and then there's my camera because I forgot my tripod, and then there's like me just covered in silly string. Like, I don't know if you can, wait. Look at my hair. Look at this.
Basically, if you want to know what video we did, you should check it out in the description. We've probably uploaded it.
We probably haven't uploaded it by now. You'll see it later.
No, I would have uploaded it now.
So we are currently on a bridge, which you can't really see, but there's all the fairy lights, and then there's this view. And here's Aiden, and we just got some pizza and fries, which are right here. And we're just kind of chilling here, and it's literally like 0 degrees. Like, I'm not exaggerating, it's ridiculous, but it's cold, but pizza's good, so that's the thing. Yeah? Mm-hmm. I think this is a successful vlog. Alright, bye! Guys, so I kind of forgot to tell you that over the past couple of days, we have had a blizzard. And we are now, you know, because the logical thing to do after a blizzard is to go into a town where everything's shut. So, I just want to show you the snow. It's just, we have a tiny bit of snow here. This is it compared to Aiden. So, yeah, we're just kind of looking out over this nice street here. And then this is kind of what the sidewalk looks like. And then it just kind of ends. Like someone just forgot to shovel. So that's a car disappearing under snow. So yeah, Aiden's walking along without me, so I'm just gonna start moving if I can fit in this small crevice in between the building and the snow. Yep. Teetle.
Teetle.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so we, after walking around for a while, we came into this small coffee shop and we got some coffee. So I got a mocha, and what'd you get?
A tall latte.
Woo! And we are just sitting here uploading videos because that's what you do when you have free internet, right? Just use all their bandwidth. Sorry. I'm really not sorry. Okay, bye! Hey guys! So, it is, what day is it? It's Thursday, and we are in a ski lodge. What? So, pretty much, I have been skiing for like 10 years, and Aiden has been skiing for negative 10 years. And so, yeah, he's going skiing for the first time today, and I am going to watch him
and make fun of me
and take some nice video shots of him falling down.
Shut up.
It's okay.
I'm
It's
trying to
okay.
empty my bib with money.
So how are you feeling?
Terrified.
He's terrified. But we rented some stuff. Sorry about this really weird braid. I'm putting my hair in a helmet. But we rented some stuff and yeah, we're gonna go skiing in like 15 minutes. But pretty much we're at the ski mountain that we're at, like nothing, like none of the chairs or anything are open. And so until like 4 o'clock. So he's just gonna kind of learn how to ski at first and then we are gonna go on the chair and stuff and figure that out. Alright, I will see you on the slopes.
What happens?
What?
When Instagram takes a spat.
Ah!
Going straight to get some speed. You're looking that way, and you flick your heels around. Oh, no, okay. That was great. That was a great first attempt.
Hey guys, so we're whispering because it is like 11 o'clock at night and I have brothers who are tiny, so gotta be quiet. But we are packing to go to Playlist Live. I can't believe it. I'm so excited.
Oh, I just a sad face, but I'm really excited, but it just means I have less time in Maine.
Yeah,
that was why
so
I was like sad.
pretty much just tomorrow I'm gonna go to school and then I'm gonna get picked up early and go to Orlando. So I just thought that I would end the vlog here for Maine because
You're
I
doing that weird
guess
angle, I don't like it. There we go.
we're saying goodbye to Maine.
Bye, Maine.
Bye. See you in Orlando.
Let me know here.
I think they like it.
I like it.
Alright. Bye.
Alright.